Welcome to Budapest. Flights arrive to Budapest Liszt Ferenc International Airport Terminal 2. The bus stop is located between the two terminals on the arrival level. Airport Shuttle Bus 100E is in operation between Liszt Ferenc International Airport and Dék Ferenc tér, one of Budapest's major transport hubs, running via Kalvin tér, another important location in the city. It runs from the airport to the city center between 4:45 a.m. and 9 p.m., from the city center to the airport between 4 a.m. and 8 p.m., typically every 30 minutes, journey time is 30 to 40 minutes. Bus line 100E is to be used only with the 900 Ferenc Airport shuttle bus single ticket. Other tickets and passes are not valid on this line. Bus line 200E runs to Kőbánya Kispest metro station, from where the city center can be reached from early morning until late night by Metro Line M3 and Metro Replacement Bus Line M3, and at night transferring at Határ úti metro station by night buses. During the day, you can get off bus 200E at Ferihegy railway station stop, from where you can get to Budapest Nyugati railway station by train. Single tickets and airport shuttle single tickets can be purchased at all BKK customer centers, from BKK vending machines, and from the driver. The price of a single ticket purchased from the driver is 450 forints. Have a nice stay in Budapest.